Hi, my name's Craig. Welcome to my channel, My Home Hob. This week we're going to be cooking mushroom fettuccine. All the ingredients and steps can be found in the description. This meal is perfect for a date night or somebody special in your life. So let's get cooking. Let's slice 200 grams of mixed mushrooms. If you can't get mixed mushrooms, then white mushrooms and chestnut mushrooms will do. We're just cutting these into bite-sized pieces. Some chopped parsley to finish. It just gives it a lovely fragrant twist at the end. Thinly sliced 2 cloves of garlic. Add more if you like, you really can't beat the smell of melted butter, garlic and sautéed mushrooms. And here's 50 grams of butter. We're going to use half at the start and half at the end. And half a cup of double cream. We're going to grate 50 grams of Parmesan. This will give our fettuccine sauce a real richness at the end. We're going to start our pasta off first, and this can cook while we're preparing the mushroom sauce. Bring a pan of salted water to the boil. Now we're going to add our 200 grams of fettuccine and cook until al dente. Cook until al dente and save. Now we're going to add half the butter to the pan. And let's add our cloves of garlic. And now we're going to saute the mushrooms for 10 minutes. The smell in your kitchen when this is cooking, all that butter, all the garlic, all the mushrooms, it really is incredible. And we're going to saute the mushrooms for 10 minutes. Now we're going to add the remaining butter and the double cream. Cook out for 1 to 2 minutes. If the sauce gets too thick, add some more cream or some of the pasta water. Now it's time to return our fettuccine to the pan. Coat the pasta in the sauce. Again, check the consistency. If it's a little bit thick, add a little bit more cream and a little bit more water. And now we'll add our grated Parmesan. I'm going to add 1 cup of pasta water and then fold in with the Parmesan. Now mix well and season if necessary. Just to freshen things up, we'll add half the parsley, the rest we'll use for garnish. Stir well and now it's ready to serve. This dish serves 1 to 2 people. And here you go, here's my mushroom fettuccine, perfect for a date night or a family meal. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please like and subscribe to the video. Please comment below if you've got any suggestions or things I can improve upon or things you'd like to see me cook. Thank you for watching. You've been watching Craig at My Home Hob. And here's a link to some of my other videos. If you like what I cook, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.